Okay, guys. So, uh, what I want to do, I want to go back and redo the problem with when you have to find the coefficient of k, and you know that's the quadratic equation. Come on, this computer gives me a hard time, and the quadratic equation has repeating zeros. Okay. Don't want this. I have no idea what just happened to my notes. That's not the problem. Okay. So let me go back to that problem because I solved that wrong. So that was the problem, I think, from homework 1.2 when we have quadratic equation k x squared plus x. And Sarah, you sent me emails. I want to explain it because in previous recording I messed up. Okay, so what you guys know about this quadratic equation, that this quadratic equation has repeated zeros. So repeated zeros means, again, discriminant, which discriminant it's b squared minus 4ac will be equal 0. Okay, so that's what we're going to use to solve that problem. So now, and you have to find, of course, in this problem, they ask you to find k. Okay, so we have to calculate a discriminant. So let's talk about, we're going to say that a, in our case, a is the coefficient in front of x squared, which is k. B, it's the coefficient in front of x, which is 1. C, and that's where I messed up. C, it's 4k. That's usually where you see the whole number or any number. In this case, it's 4k. So now I'm going to replace B, A, and C from the discriminant formula with k1 and 4k. So right here, we're going to solve it. So we're going to calculate the discriminant. So b squared. So b is equal 1. So we're having 1 squared minus 4 times a. Again, a, it's k. Times c. C, it's 4k. So times c, which is 4k. And that has to be equal 0. Why it's 0? Because we know this quadratic equation has repeated solution. So let's simplify. So we have 1 minus 16k squared equals 0. So now I'm going to solve for k. So let me subtract 1 from both sides, and we end up with negative 16k squared equal negative 1. Divide each by negative 16. And then we end up with k squared, it's equal 1 over 16. And now what we need to do, we need to take the square root of both sides to get k by itself. So we'll end up with k equal square root of 1 over 16, which is square root of 1 and square root of 16, and that will give you 1 over 4. Since when you take the square root, you're always getting two solutions, positive and negative. So we have two solutions here. K, it's equal 1 over 4, or k, it's equal negative 1 over 4. So I'm assuming that should work right now, that on my MATLAB you will have to enter two solutions, that k, that coefficient can be positive 1 over 4 or negative 1 over 4. So again, I went back. Where is that email? to this problem. Download. So when you have to find the equation, you have equation kx squared plus x plus 4k equals 0. And so like you see, to enter them in my MATLAB, you're going to have two solutions. So my MATLAB, that's how you're going to enter them. You will enter 1, 4, 1, 4, and you will use comma. I mean, you should start with negative probably first. Negative 1, 4, comma 1, 4. So it's two solutions for this problems. Again, all of you may have a little different coefficient. So this is the explanation of that problem. Again, I just want to mention that I don't know what is this. This is not your problem. Explanation of the problem from section 1.2. Okay, hopefully that will help.